Right, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, a little bit different than normal. We're talking about a Launchpad coin that's launching tomorrow that's called Alvara. What is Alvara? It is basically an ETF altcoin, where basically you can make baskets of cryptocurrencies, and those baskets people can invest in kind of like index funds for crypto. It's quite a good idea, especially being that we're heading into a bull market right now, and tomorrow it's launching through Tencent. I'll leave a link to it in today's video description for people that do and are interested. You can click on that link and proceed through. It's not an affiliate link or anything. I don't care whether you proceed with it or not. It doesn't matter to me at all. But I can tell you, I'm putting some of my own money down for this, and I think you should watch this video because you might find it interesting seeing how I do business. Because for me, right now, I'm doing a lot of investing through Launchpads. Launchpad investing is one of the most profitable ways of investing in a bull market because you buy the token and then it lists on an exchange generally at a higher price than what you've paid. Again, there's no guarantees when doing it, but typically you would expect a higher price when it lists on an exchange than what you invest at when it goes through a Launchpad. This particular coin here is going through the Tencent Launchpad, as you can see. It's called Alvara, and basically each one is being sold for 30 cents per coin. Alvara protocol is building a groundbreaking decentralized crypto fund platform that enables creation and self-management of tokenized basket funds. They have developed the new ERC BTS basket token standard that allows users to design and mint their own unique BTS tokens. The maximum amount of money that anybody can singularly invest is $1,200, and the launch date is on the 4th of March. So there really isn't any time. If you did want to get involved in it, it's kind of the last day. I probably should have made this video a little bit earlier. The claim back policy, you can basically, if it goes wrong and it goes below this price, you've got up to 7 days to get your money back. So there really is no risk to investing in this, and that's quite a good thing. What is Alvara? Well, this is the website. Tokenized funds for a DeFi future, a full suite built for the next generation of fund managers. Build, manage, earn, whatever you want to call it. Lots of jargon as per usual with all crypto websites, but this is one that I'm going to put some money into if I can get through the Launchpad sale tomorrow. And again, you don't always get through, but it's worthwhile putting some money down from my perspective, because if it does launch onto the exchange and you do manage to get an allocation in it, maybe you'll make 5x, maybe you'll make 10x. I don't know, because you never know what it's going to list at on the market. In terms of what it actually is, basically you can create these baskets of funds and then people can invest via your basket. It's quite a good idea for a bull market. They've got a marketplace. Our platform provides a unique opportunity for both you buyers and sellers in the Alvara community. The BTS marketplace is where BTS creators can list their ERC BTS tokens for auction. Each token that they create is comprised of a basket of coins, and then people can buy that basket of coins, kind of like buying into an index fund of cryptocurrencies. BTS Factory, revolutionary technology, an ERC BTS basket token standard, allowing users to pull a collection of assets across different chains into a single manageable public fund, enable users to showcase their skills within the crypto markets and take advantage of other skilled traders by contributing to their fund. Kind of like, I guess, decentralized copy trading in a way. But if somebody is particularly good at putting these baskets together, maybe you follow their profile and it goes well for you that invests via these things. How does the Alvara token fit into all this? Because from my perspective, that is always one of the most important things. It's okay saying, okay, we've built this amazing technology. What I'm looking for is, how does your token fit into this amazing technology? And is this technology amazing, or is it a pile of poo? This is interesting because a lot of cryptocurrency projects out there are piles of poo, and because they don't ever think about how to fit the token into their economy. And again, I think it's important for me to explain, I invest in these things without, I don't know whether I'm going to make a profit or a loss. I invest because I'm interested in what the token is doing and how it's integrated to their economy. First, anyway, when it comes to use cases for the Alva token, if I highlighted here already what the use case is, the real benefit is from staking is the VAlva users receive in exchange. VAlva is the real key to the bank vault, as it is required during the weekly gauge voting event, where holders allocate their VAlva to whichever an eligible ERC BTS they want to receive that week's Alva reward stream. Basically, by staking the token, you can earn more money. That's always a good system, but it's not particularly unique, and it doesn't really add anything from my perspective, because so many tokens you can stake and earn money from. Governance, that is the main use case of this token here. Alvara is a decentralized autonomous organization that is governed by Alva token holders who have staked their tokens to receive VAlva. VAlva holders can participate in the management and development of the protocol. The VAlva DAO makes decisions regarding the distribution of Alva rewards and the allocation of VAlva to different decentralized BTS platforms that have been deployed via Alvara's platform. There's also another use case here, being that the voting mechanism. The quorum of the Alvara DAO is 20%, which means that at least 20% of the VAlva holders must participate in a vote for it required to be valid. The pass rate, which is the percentage of the votes required for a proposal to be successful, is 51%. And there's another use case down here, being the Alvara wars are focused around controlling as much of Alva's supply as possible. Holding and staking Alva gives the power of governance, and the power of governance grants access to the massive 88 million Alva reward stream. Basically, by staking tokens, you get more tokens, and those tokens can be used for votes within the DAO. And if the DAO is making money, then you're making a profit. So overall, quite a good idea, and I quite like it. And especially in this kind of market, generally these kinds of things tend to go well. So if you can get in at the Launchpad, it's probably not a bad idea to get in at the Launchpad. Anyway, moving on. PHEMEX trade BTS LP tokens and earn fees by contributing liquidity. Our platform offers a unique opportunity for users to invest in BTS tokens and receive BTS LP tokens in reward, representing their stake in the BTS. These tokens can be committed to PHEMEX liquidity pool. This can be done individually or paired with another user's assets such as ETHUSD, AVAX, or BNB. In exchange, the users are granted Hive LP tokens, signifying their stake in the pool. As liquidity providers, the users will share 30% of all transaction fees distributed based on the proportion of their LP holdings. Basically, by holding the token, you can earn more tokens and you can earn cash on top of that as well, based if the protocol is successful and it generates a high amount of transaction fees, then you'll make some good money from it. About Alvara, whether you're an individual or an institution or unique solution, our unique solution empowers you to easily create, manage and invest in on-chain funds only with Alvara. It's a pretty unique project in this sense. There isn't currently anything that I know of anyway that is anything similar. Maybe Commonwealth is a bit similar, but it works in a different way. This is more like basically investing in a DAO. If you want to look at the team here, this is the team. I mean, I've worked with Dominic Grider on VEMP before when I was an investor in VEMP. I'm no longer an investor in VEMP, but Dominic did previously launch VEMP. And they've got a team of 8 people here. I don't know any of the other guys, but you can do some research on what they've actually got. And it's always a good idea to do your research. If you are interested in this thing, then again, do your research on it, of course. There also is an airdrop right now worth $1.2 million at TGE, and you can get that by clicking on this Zealy airdrop link on their website. But overall, what do I think of it? I think it's worth a punt from my perspective. Everyone's always asking me, look, how do I get involved in these things before they launch? It's Launchpad season right now. And as you'll see over the next 2 or 3 months, a lot of these launchpads, their tokens will increase in price significantly, especially if the bullish trend continues. I mean, looking currently at Bitcoin, $62,810, it doesn't look like it's going to slow down, to be honest. It looks like next week is going to be more up and to the right, which is good news, especially for crypto investors. And from my perspective right now, the market is looking so strong that stuff like this will probably perform well, regardless or not of it being a good idea. So you're always asking me, where do I get involved in these things? Tencent is one of them. One of the other ones would be Launchblock. That's another good one again. We could go on to, and I will go on to, on the main channel, a good list of Launchpad coins to hold. But if you are interested in this, you'll find a link for it in today's video description. And that's today's video, to be honest. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'm interested to know your thoughts on what you think is going to happen to this coin. And it'd be interesting to see when it does launch, if you are invested at launch, if it goes well or not. We'll see. And again, no financial advice. Always do your own research. And these things can go wrong. So just bear all of that in mind. And slap a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.